is Ben.
Good morning. I'm Moti.
Ben, what is this?
It is a car.
Yes. Great job.
Is it snack time?
No. Mochi, we are learning.
You are always hungry.
Ben, what is this?
It is a robot.
Beep beep. You are right. This is my teddy bear.
It is so soft, like a pillow. I want to hug it forever.
Ben, what is this?
That's an airplane.
And this one?
It's a train.
Correct. And guess what? I have one more airplane. Oops. Not just one more. I have 3 more airplanes.
3. That's a lot. What is this?
It's a book.
What is this?
It's a cat.
What is this?
It's a bird.
What is this?
It's a fish.
What is this?
It's an elephant.
What is this?
It's a monkey.
What is this?
It's a duck.
What is this?
It's a rabbit.
What is this?
It's a lion.
What is this?
It's a cow.
I'm hungry.
Oh no. Mochi, you're hungry again? But I want to play first. Ben, let's play the drums together. Ta-da! We are at the park. Let's have some fun. I have a really cool game for us to play.
What should we play next, Mimi? I'm so excited. Maybe we can find something really fun to do together.
Ben, let's have fun. I will show you a ball. And you have to guess what color it is.
Sounds fun. I'm ready.
Let's start. What color is this?
Is it yellow?
Yes, it is. Okay. I will let you guess all the colors at once. What are the colors of these balls?
Purple, red, blue, green, orange, and pink.
Ben, you're incredible! All your answers are correct. I'm so proud of you. I'm hungry now. Let's go cook something to eat together. Ben, let's make a cake together.
Yay! I love cake. What do we do first?
First, get a big bowl and a spoon.
Okay. I have got them right here.
Now, add some sugar and flour.
How much flour do we need?
2 cups. I will help you measure.
Thanks. I am pouring it in now.
Great! Now crack 2 eggs into the bowl.
1, 2, oops, a little mess.
That's okay. Baking is messy sometimes.
What's next, Mimi?
Add milk and a little oil.
Can I stir it now?
Yes. Stir it until it's smooth.
Look, it's getting sticky.
Perfect. Now let's pour the mix into the pan.
Okay, let's be careful.
We will need a grown-up to help with the oven.
Yeah, it's too hot for us.
Just a little bit more. We're almost ready to eat.
I have been waiting forever. Finally, it's cake time. Hurry up. I'm ready to eat.